What is it? Why are you crying? Is there any problem?
They find my destiny helper. They find my destiny helper. But I don't see Asha.
So if you have seen your destiny helper, why are you now crying? What's the problem?
You know that boundary where they get between tears and joy? Tears and joy. Now that boundary I get now. And they are pissed I don't see my destiny helper.
Young lady, please, enough of the jokes. What's happening? Why are you crying? Are you stranded or what?
No, Oga, I'm not stranded. My name is Sorochi.
No, I said, are you lost? Like,
I'm not lost. I dey go somewhere.
So where are you going?
Monica Junction, here now they go.
Oh, yeah, enter, let me drop you.
Thank you. Rain 1-4, so I need to move.
No, calm down, make you two boys.
Calm down.
Alright, calm down now. It's the good one.
What is it? What's going on? What is it?
Okay, this is so fine. Now we don't have now. Come and make you do something for boys now.
Look, I do waiting for boys.
What's going on?
No mind, they say that they arrange the road.
Meet now.
Okay, come up for here. Which road? I'm not saying that they arrange. You get level. You get level.
Come with us.
Chief, come up for here.
No, like that.
Wait, why you hitting my car? What's going? Why are you hitting the car?
Why you want shout
Do
to my
something for
husband?
boys. I will change that for you. Come on.
Why you want shout to my husband?
Okay, I'll do something for boys.
Husband.
My boy husband.
Come, what's the problem?
Okay.
What's the problem? Don't do that. What's going on? Are you mad? Are you mad? What did you hit her?
Okay.
What did you hit her?
Did you see my daughter?
Sorochi, is she missing?
I didn't say she's missing. I said, did you see her? Have you seen her today?
Hi.
Also, is she missing?
Hi, Mama, thank God, no. I have not seen her. Mama, I was actually coming to the house to see you.
Oh.
Mama, you know, it's been a while. Myself and Sorochi, your daughter, we have been loving each other. She loved me, I love her back. She loved me, I love Mama, So, I think it's the right time for...
Shut up. Such a cigar. I'm saying my daughter is missing. You're telling me about loving my daughter in Apwala. Eh? Are you normal?
Mama.
Don't say.
Mama, Sorochi is not missing now. You say she's not missing. Mama, this is love we are talking about. Me and Sorochi, see me. Love. When I finally get to marry her, at least all her father's property, everything that she... Sorochi is a good girl. But I want that thing in her. All of it will belong to me. Okoro. Huh? Okoro, okay. Mom, I will come and see you, Mama. Mama, I'll come.
My
Doctor, how is she?
It's critical. I think it will affect her eyes. And then I suggest you take her to an eye clinic. And it's very, very urgent, I can say.
So, just hold on with that your helper thing first. Just hold on first. Is this my helper and my helper that put us in this problem? Just hold on first.
No, you start. No bother my helper. Even if you know if you see me, I go see you.
Doctor.
Yeah, I think I guess I have to start leaving now, okay? Thank you. Thank you very much.
My helper.
Shut up first with that helper thing. That is what put you in trouble today. You need to stop first.
I don't get how they stop you, my helper. I'm the most important thing.
Look, you can see the situation right now, so you have to go home. Tomorrow we'll look for alternative to take you to an eye clinic.
My helper, oh, my helper. I know they go anywhere. Now me and you come on, they go your house.
Go where?
House. No, they talk too much. I said they talk.
See, just go. You said your house is close by. Just go to your house first.
No, anywhere
Tomorrow.
you go now, they go. I won't follow you.
What's happening here?
Where you go? Where you go? Eh? You want leave me for you? Why leave me for you? Anywhere you go, I go.
Stop holding my clothes like that. Take it easy. Take it easy. We are together. We are in two. It's because of this your stubbornness that look at your eyes. Because when those boys were talking, I did not say you to go and punch any.
But you know, they talk too much. When you do, when they fight you, you're human enough. You don't fight. Okay, your breast and they talk, touch like this. I want all the clothes no dey let me.
Jesus Christ! Sorachi! What happened to your eyes?
No, they ask me that kind of question, Mama. You know, let person cry finish before you answer question.
I am asking you what happened to your eyes. A question. Can you hear me again? What is it?
Mama, food there house. I bet I want it. Hi, Mama, I need cold water. Better cold water.
Sorochi.
Ma?
Can you answer my question? I said, who did this to you? How managed?
Now one man, no.
One man.
Uh,
Why? Did you fight him?
No, I dey fight man, I dey craze. As I did, now I want to fight for the man. Now the boys say, "Buff my eye."
Wait, you fought with the boys while defending the man.
Yes,
they now blow your eyes. But again,
they don't blow my eye. They buff.
Hey, Sorochi, why? Why will you fight with the boys? Why is it like you like trouble? Why?
Mama, I beg, if you give me food, I know they see myself. I beg.
I should give you food.
I need them.
You need them.
These people, they beat me, Michael Obiwa, come off from my body. Mama, I beg, give me food. They beat me, Shege Banza.
Hey, what kind of wahala is
Mama,
this? Just look at your eye.
Mama, as they pay for the eye, for like 30 minutes, I no see. Everywhere you're off. You're like darkness, your envelope word. Everywhere you're best for my eye. Hey, Jesus, Mama, beg. Bring water, ma pour for my head it up. Mama, once this eye just blend finish, head go roll. Let me tell you.
This is your eye.
I don't tell you now. May you blend. You go see head. Go. Mama, go give me food, my chop.
Zukwanike, Sorochi. Zukwanike. Eh? There's no pride in trouble. When road, I don't understand. Oh, yeah, go inside so that you eat.
Mama, by connection, I take on you. I better find me food for you. Yeah.
Sorochi, what kind of trouble is this?
Mama, go bring food now. I know they talk too much. Go bring food.
Hey.
And cold water. Mama, because no matter what, head must roll.
So, before I knew it, she came down from the car, rushed the boys and started pushing them. And one of them got mad, like really angry, and punched her in her eyes. Okay, when that happened, I said, okay, it has happened, why not go home? To my greatest surprise, he said she's not going anywhere, that she must follow me, that I'm now her destiny helper. Same thing she was saying before this whole thing started. Destiny helper? You don't know me from Adam. How can I be your destiny helper? And that was it. I've never seen this type of thing in my entire life. Destiny helper. Like, destiny helper, like how?
You mean you picked a random village girl and now she is blind?
Yeah, I was just trying to help, like give a lift. You know, just being kind. And then
Douglas, what did you take me for?
what?
A fool? You mean you're planning to bring in a second wife?
Are you being serious now? Huh? Something wrong with you?
Why are
do
you
mean?
shouting?
No, because I wasn't shouting. I just told you what happened, and you're asking me what do I take you for?
You're raising your voice. Why are you yelling?
Oh my God.
Wow.
Did you listen to yourself?
No, wow. You're yelling. No, you are. He's yelling at me. A chronic cheat. Yelling at his wife because she found out about his sex escapade with some random village girl. Eh?
Sex escapades.
Yeah.
Look, you need to watch the way you talk to me. All right? You need to watch the manner you speak to me because I will not take it lightly with you. How can I be telling you what happened? Being very sincere of what happened and you're accusing me of cheating?
Oh.
Are you out of your mind?
No. Keep it up. No, keep doing it. You're doing it right. One day, that destiny helper will actually lead you to your grave.
This is it. I can't sit here and listen to this bull crap. Don't say that bullshit close to me. Imagine, I've just been very honest to you and you're just saying all this crap.
Keep it up. Continue. Until she send you to early grave. Destiny helper, call destiny helper me.
Mama Sorochi! Mama Soro! Mama, where's your daughter? Where's Sorochi?
I've not seen her since morning. She went to the market.
Mama, which market? Mama, I don't like this. I don't like this Sorochi is doing. Wherever she is, just bring her back to me. So I cannot play with my love anyhow and just leave me hanging.
I don't understand. What is the problem?
Mama, just bring her back.
Hey!
Sorochi knows how much I have spent on her. Mama, just bring her.
Okoro, I want to ask you a question. Did you pay her bride price? What is the problem? I should bring her out. Am I holding her? I said she's not here back and you're here ranting. What is the problem? Organic?
Mama, it's now bride price. Even if I have not paid her bride price. All these things, all these small things I have been giving her, all these small things. Orieba. Ota bushmeat. Sorom ngwapami. No. Want this to cover the bride price?
I don't want your problem. Because get out of my house.
Mama, here Nasim Sebapo. If I get her, I will show her Pepe. Nge go see yourself. I will show her Pepe.
Before me, you are telling me you show her Pepe. Okoro, are you okay? Are you normal?
Mama,
you don't pay the bride price. Or whether you didn't turn it on her head. Or whether I give them nothing. Get out of my car. Get out of the two left
Mama,
leg.
wherever Sorochi today, for Sorochi matter, I'm not sure I'm normal. I'm not normal. I'm not normal, Mama.
Get out.
Mama, I'm just respecting you. That is why I'm this calm. Mama, yeah, bro. I'm respecting you.
Hey, no one more because for one number no one my beacon. Work there. No one my beacon. You just tell me to my house and start warning me that she want my daughter. Look at these two left leg. Nyala, anompam. Yeah. I'm even waiting for my daughter to come back. I've not seen her since morning. Or baby, they are eating warning. You love her. Poverty-stricken lover. Too much.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Auntie?
Huh?
Are you looking for anybody?
The owner of this place, my helper. My helper, my destiny helper.
Your destiny helper?
Who
could that be?
The person who get this house, now be my destiny helper. Is this kind of final? Me na where? Me na kai? As it is kind of final, you know, say me the day you're there another place at the same time. Now say locate. Now here they wait for the man now where?
The owner of this house is my father.
Hey, Papa, now you get this house.
Yes.
Many say your papa na my destiny helper. Lord of Jesus. My papa king! Oh no! Hey! Come on, they go inside.
Are you in any way related to us?
Me? Now me be in a relationship, you don't know me. Now me be relation now. You know they get me. I me be relationship. Your papa and my papa. Senior like our village, our lineage, all of them we senior each other. I guess we tell they relate. Now so me and your papa relate go.
Maybe he promised you something like he used to promise other people in the village.
Jesus, how you tell no? Your papa promised me something. That thing I can't collect. Now my destiny helper. Come on, could they go inside? Hey, come open gate. Rush. Open. Oh yeah. Come on for road. They go.
Wait, madam, wait. Who you be now?
Don't worry, I'll handle it.
Who is she?
Hey! My helper! Just see the kind of house where you keep for grants. Say now where you dey live.
Auntie,
this is called Ogada Gidi. Jehovah.
Auntie, what happened to your eyes?
My eye?
Yes.
Hey, if I tell you wetin make this thing happen, you sef you go vex. I don't know wetin this doctor abi all these people put for my eye. You dey see blood?
Small.
Aye.
That's quite painful. Sorry.
You dey see road? You dey see road? You dey see?
I'm seeing.
Wetin be your color? You be black person?
No.
You know a black person?
I'm fair.
You fair?
Yes.
You know be Shana Poplin? Aye!
Sorry.
I think say you be Shana Poplin. No. Why these people come put this kind of thing? Wetin be this?
This plaster.
Hey! Now that you say plaster my eye.
Sorry.
They crazy.
Do you need cold drink?
If I need cold drink,
yes.
My sister, anything wey cold na my name now. I beg go give me cold drink. But that one after I don't bath. More they go. More they go now.
Where?
For inside on the house now, the room where you want give me.
Which room?
Open the door, open. Fast, please, they worry me. They go toilet, they worry me.
Auntie, raise your voice now.
Jesus! See Balo, see house.
How was school today?
School was fine. Daddy, there's one woman inside. She said that she was looking for a destiny helper.
Destiny helper?
Yes. Daddy, that woman is very funny.
She's inside?
Yes. Maybe she might be one of your relatives you promised something. She said she was looking for a helper.
And you opened the door for her. Who is the woman?
Daddy, I like her.
Hey!
What are you doing here?
I don't come now.
What do you mean you don't come? How did you find my house?
Me? Oga, I follow you, I trust you. Oga, welcome. Type shit.
What are you doing here?
Oh, Oga, your hand
How dare you come to my house uninvited? Did I ask you to come here?
Okay, your hand, I don't condemn. You won't break my hand. Which time you said you asked me? Are they funny?
What kind of mad? What is happening here?
Okay,
Are you not? I said, what are you doing in my house? And you're wearing my clothes. Are you mad? Okay. Are you mentally unstable?
Okay, now you are the house. Wait till they shout.
Get out of here.
No, if you come out, they don't dark. This is a midnight. I know if it's a midnight with this.
Are you hold this back?
Oh, my head, the bag. No, go keep your bag.
Come on, get out of here. Leave my house.
Leave your no.
I like her.
No,
Leave my house. What are you doing here?
I tell you, my destiny helper house. Which kind of come?
Are you mad? What is going on here? My friend, leave my house.
You two, are you mad? What's going on here? My friend, leave my house. Oh, what a beautiful woman. Who is this?
That's my mother.
You're waiting. Hey, type shit.
What's going on here?
Nothing they go on. Welcome, my co-wife.
Your what?
Co-wife. Welcome.
Don't mind this lunatic.
Is that not your?
Who
are you?
Now, if like that one, I got t-shirts. Now you give me that love.
Shut up your mouth. That's my wife talking. Are you mad?
You know, keep your woman.
Douglas.
Are you stupid? Look, I don't know this fool. First off, I do not know this fool. I was just battling on why she is in my house before you walked in.
Now, my helper. My destiny helper, now you see like this. So, my sister, who you be? Why your blood is hot like this?
Because I see this as a temptation. In case when I touch you now, maybe it's a temptation from somewhere. What
Madam,
nonsense.
better for you. Now, so you're supposed to behave as you see me.
Where I will send you now, eh?
If
you come out of it, know that it's not me.
You two, where I go send you? If you come out from inside, no, say no be me.
Huh?
Your husband's name?
Douglas.
Douglas. Isa ye nwere ilutu n'ọrụ ya okuru mmiri nwa. Ema obeja ọlụ nwere. Mkpa ihe eme tawa ya ma obeja ọlụ nwere n'ike. Nyamine ye makala na ụbọchị taa nwa. Nwe ihe ebere ya mara mmadụ n'ụmụ.
Apply it on his food for 7 days. And once he's done eating the food, he will not know any other woman.
Thank you, wise one.
You may leave now.
No. 7 days is too far. I need to do something immediately.
Your picking the home missus, if not, for don't blow your teeth.
See, this is unbelievable.
Wait,
Are you talking
now
to me?
Wait, I go talk.
Are you talking to me?
Wait,
Are you talking to me?
Wait, make it. Don't hold me first. Hold me, don't hold me. Hold me. Jesus! Caution! I will caution you in the backyard! Caution me backyard! Caution me escape route! Caution me escape route! Get out!
Ago, what happened? Your daughter called me and said you were rushed to the hospital in a critical condition.
Brother, if not for my driver, I would have bled to death. It's God though.
Your wife did this to you? Why?
It's one stupid girl that I gave a lift. In fact, the girl is mad. Because there's no way a human being will be behaving like that. So from one way or the other, she found her way to my house. I was trying to explain to my wife that this girl, I don't know, I just gave her a lift. Before I knew it, she hit bottle on my head. The bottle on my head, though.
You brought a woman to your house. To do what now?
I don't even know the girl. I don't know her from anywhere. It's just me trying to be nice. Just to be a good Samaritan. Now that woman wants to finish my life. And I have to go. Because that mad woman is still in my house before she kills her. I need to find my way back home.
I'm sorry.
Look. You have to take me home now.
Okay, sir.
You have to take me back. Where's my phone?
It's with Madam, sir.
Madam. Why did you leave the phone for her now? Why?
Oga, I can't be dragging phones with her while you're in this terrible condition.
You can't be dragging phones with her. How about when you be dragging your life with me? Which one is better for you? Okay. Come, call the doctor. I need to leave here.
Okay, sir.
I'm feeling better. Let this charge.
Wait. See, don't make any trouble with her. Eh? You can just get a hotel and pass this night, you know?
Me, I can't leave my house, so I can't leave my house. I must go back home. I'm going back home.
Please don't make trouble with her.
Mom, you shouldn't have done that. That was too harsh.
I wanted him to learn his lesson.
But I was the one that opened the door and let her in, not Dad.
I don't care. I've done what I wanted to do. And what do you think you're trying to do?
I want to open the door for you.
Will you come back here? I said come back here.
I want to open the door for Daddy. He's outside.
And who asked you to do that? Who asked you to do that?
Daddy is outside. I'm going to open.
Get inside.
Please, can you kindly stop this rubbish you're doing? This is not the time for it.
No concern
I'm
me.
talking to you.
Okay, I beg, come on, you don't make us your sorrow. They say weeping may last for the night. Joy comes in the morning. And they dance now. Because my joy, they come in the morning. Eh?
How did I meet this person now? I could have just taken the other route that day.
Okay.
Come on, get out of here. Are you mad?
You pay Yabi.
Thunder fire you there. Fool, idiot. So you don't have sense.
Mbamba, Oga, Jackie, shut up. Jackie, get out. Hi. Woo. Oga, to tell you the truth, I follow for those people where they say, if they're there in pain, they're going to use laugh, they cover them. Deep down inside, then they faint. Oga, what we go do this night now? We all be like refugee. Where we go sleep? I don't know if you get your ATM card with you. But you know that we'll go pay for hotel room sleep.
Shift your leg.
Oga, good morning, sir. See pure water. Take and wash your face first.
Go knock on the door again.
Zion, hurry up.
Why did you lock me out yesterday night?
Stupid questions.
Can I have my phones?
You're not going to have them until you tell me why you brought a woman into our matrimonial home.
I've been praying to God to work on my temper. I've been praying to God to make me handle this situation maturely, but the more I try, the more you're pushing me to the wall. First off, you had the mind to pick a bottle that can kill. You had the mind to pick it up and hit on the person you call your husband without minding what will happen to him. You have no idea how I've been battling with my life. Now I came back home to rest my head after fighting on how to control my anger, only to come back home to a locked door. I knocked all through the night. Even the gatekeeper did. Everybody knocked. You locked me out without even minding that your husband was still out there because you don't care. You don't even care. How wicked can you be? Now I'm telling you to give me my phones. And you look at me in the face and think I cannot do nothing? You're pushing me to the wall. And when I start, I swear to God Almighty, you will, in fact, we will both regret what I'm going to do to you.
And what are you going to do, you cheat? What will you do? What?
Mommy, can you stop all this shouting and take me to school? I'm almost late.
Will you shut up and get into the car? Take it. Get into the car. Get into the car.
Give me my phone. My phones now.
I said you're not going to have them until you tell me why you brought that woman into our matrimonial home. I won't do that. Let me have the keys.
Don't push me. Give me my phones.
I'm sorry, I can't. The keys. Let me have the keys. Get into the car. Douglas. Douglas. Douglas.
Uncle Andrew. Uncle Andrew.
What is it?
Please, can you take me to school?
And since when did the rules change? I thought your mom said I shouldn't drop you at school again.
Just for today, I'm already late. Please.
Okay, do you know what? Go inside and take permission from your mom. Then I'll be waiting for you right here. Okay?
Don't worry.
Where are you going to? Are you going to school by yourself?
Can I have the keys? Can I have the keys?
Get off my way.
Can I have the keys?
Get off, come on, quick,
Can I have the keys? What is it?
Auntie Soruchi is lying down outside and people are saying she's dead. I don't know. Just go and check.
Soruchi?
Yes.
So that one is gone.
Oh. Are you aware of her health condition?
Doctor, is she alive?
She's alive.
Okay.
I'm asking if you really know about her health condition. There's something we need to discuss. Yeah.
Okay. Can I at least take a picture of her so that I can make a proper police report on the incident?
Okay, if that's okay.
I'm going to send you money to do your job. I just need to take a picture to place it for.
All right.
So, excuse me. Hello? What? Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm coming there.
Tell your brother, should anything happen to my daughter, I will never forgive him. Hello, Sandra. Sandra, yeah, where are you? Please, 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 leave everything you're doing. Come and meet me at the hospital. Yeah, I will tell you later. Just come and meet me there. My daughter is there. Yes, I'm heading to there now. All right. See you. I hope the doctor gave you the instruction not to let anyone in here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to go to the house to pick up some things. I'll be back soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Why have you not been taking my calls? And why did you move Zion to another hospital?
You've gotten what you wanted, right? Pray. Pray nothing happens to my daughter.
No, you have to calm down, okay? Nothing is going to happen to her.
Really? I should calm down? No, I should calm down.
Babe.
It's all your fault. But if anything happens to my daughter, you will see the real madness. If I hadn't brought in that stupid, illiterate, foolish woman into this house, all this wouldn't have happened. And as for Zion, you will never see her again. Go be with that, your second wife.
Is that a joke? Babe.
And one more.
Hey, this is it.
My brother.
Oh yeah.
It has not even started. See,
Ezeku.
this coming weekend,
Mm-hmm.
myself and myself alone
Mm-hmm.
is going to my so-so's house to pay her bride price. I am going to make her my wife. Yes.
Okoro.
She will become Mrs. Okoro.
Determination.
My brother, you can say that again. You can say that again.
What did I just hear now? Look at my brother.
My brother.
This coming week, you will go. I'm so happy for you. Look here. Okoro, my man.
The way you're saying it, I'm happy.
Okoro, my man.
My guy, where?
You see, my brother, see, one thing you need to understand now is, are you sure? See, this city man no go collect her from you.
It's not possible. See, anywhere in this world, so once she should go, I am going to bring her back.
Hey!
You show me that. I will bring. You know what you're saying?
Determination.
Once you have so around you,
Yes.
good things comes to you. Anything you lay your hands on turns into gold. See my life now.
Wait, so. Are you sure? That means you should be lucky, oh. Wait, if Soso is around you, everything around you changes.
My brother, it's not I should be lucky. I am lucky.
Hey!
Very soon, I plan on changing my name to Lucky. Lucky Lolo. When you see me, you don't call me Okole again. You call me Lolo. Lolo.
Then, you two more berry.
Poor man. Poor man. A poor man, they worry you.
Okoro.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. Have you in mind. Just keep being close to me.
No, not you.
Small luck will be getting to you. I'll be emitting small luck to you.
Kai.
Just keep being close to me.
You know, when you were saying this, I didn't believe it. Oh. I didn't believe it. You're lucky. You're so lucky.
Those days when I was telling you all this,
Yeah.
I see you now. I see doubt written all over your face. But who am I? I say, don't worry. When the time comes, at the right time, you will see it play out. And here it is.
Okoro, my friend, is lucky.
You can say that
You
again.
see, what shocked me that time, you see? That time,
I go dey look you, go just dey laugh. I go say, this kind guy, Okoro my man, they follow woman where they mad, you know?
Okay. Who is mad?
I don't know. It's Solution.
Are you?
Okoro, I'm the one here. How did you change your mood? How?
I opened my gate to you. You entered my house to insult me.
Insult? Which one is insult?
Okay, take a serious time.
Okoro, they tell you the truth.
Take
now.
a serious time.
Madness, Dave.
See. You can play with anything, but you see so-so?
Uh-huh.
So-so?
Yes.
Where you Solomon?
Mba.
Where so-so Solomon? Be very careful.
I'm not careful. Okoro, I will tell you the truth. That madness is going like this, Mrs. My friend, was it this?
No, na me fuck up now. No, na me fuck up. Na me give you drink, Abi.
Uh-huh.
I am telling you right here and right now. If you drink anything in my house again,
Okoro,
it is poison.
Now
me they tell you, anything will enter your mouth from my house again, na poison you drink.
What is it? Poison.
Oka gobi, Mattia can. One Oka gobi. If you say you're a man,
yes,
touch it.
Okoro, soon they are. What are you saying? Come on, give me.
Come, give me that thing. What's wrong with you? Well, come get out from here.
Okoro, you're serious.
Now why am I being is I know what if you're serious?
Where is the patient in Ward 6?
What about her? Is she missing?
You're asking me if she's missing. Didn't I leave her under your care?
Sorry, sir. I went to buy something.
What kind of carelessness is that?
Sorry, sir.
You're saying sorry? What do I tell Mr. Douglas? You better move fast now and start looking for her. Fast!
Okay, sir.
Nothing do me.
Nothing do you. What did they do you?
I just want my mommy and my dad to reconcile. It's not breaking.
Mommy and mama you papa reconcile. Let make you fake sickness come for hospital. Say you get accident. How you tell this hospital? How doctor admit you? You bribe them?
No, God forbid.
Hey, rich man children. Nothing wey they no fit do. Very spoilt brat. How you tell rich here come bring all these things? Who teach you this kind of criminal act?
I don't want my mommy and my dad to reconcile now.
How you take a connection, do this rubbish, pretend? Nothing, they don't check you, say you know you don't.
They don't have sense now. They don't know what they are doing. They're
So
not tying
you
the bandage.
Jesus, you by light to them say they pay you.
But the thing is to scratch.
Hey! Gen Z generation! What do you not fit do? You know dey.
Auntie, you help me and talk to my mommy and my daddy.
I know you're near me, I dey fear you. Person wey fit fake say you get accident, small pikin for your age.
Auntie, now. Please. Auntie, sorry. Help me now.
So she's been missing since yesterday and you have not done anything about it.
You are very careless. You are very careless. And it's the same, your carelessness that has put her in this bad condition. Now tell me what your husband people will say when they hear about this.
Instead of shouting at me, help me, let's go and look for her.
Look for her. Have you reported this to the police station?
I was waiting for you to come from Aba. I can't go and leave me.
To return from Aba?
Yeah.
Are you still waiting for me to return from Aba before you tell your husband's sister and Kingsman?
Hi. I'm under pressure. You won't understand.
Let's go. Hmm? Police station. Let's go to the police station. No. You are waiting for me. Now I have come. What you should have done is now that you are doing it. But where should she have gone? I don't understand all this.
Come. Are you the only mad woman in this neighborhood? Haven't you done enough? Are you mad? Are you mad? I'm asking you.
Okay, the thing is I get surprised for you. So don't be to ask me to be surprised.
Get Ogu kill you and that surprise. Come on, carry the surprise and get out of my house. Are you mad?
No problem. I carry surprise. Come on now. Zion, come. Your papa. I've been away today. They call this man. And I help. I've been destiny helper. He said, I carry you. They come out. Zion. Your papa said, I carry you. They go back to where I carry you from.
Oh my God, baby.
You know value. You come or they go.
Come. Where have you been?
See, I don't deliver my food unit. I don't go. I go to my mama's house.
Auntie, thank you very much.
Type shit. Where they go? Hey, Moga, if you don't find me small cash, I tell you.
Yes, I have some money.
You don't need to count and give me. Type shit.
Bye-bye.
Type shit. Bye. Hey.
Dad, I don't like this going on between you and Mom. I don't like it.
It's fine. Are you hot? You okay, right? Oh my God. Oh, let's go upstairs. You need to freshen up and eat something, okay?
Zion! Zion! Where is she?
Mama, she was here when I left.
Excuse you? Wait. You mean you left my daughter here and went out?
It's not.
Shut up!
Mom, I'm not here, not a security.
Pray nothing happens to my daughter. Doctor! Doctor!
So, what happened to you? Mama, uncle.
Where are you coming from? What happened? I beg you.
And one question before I go there. Time the match is finished. Pepper no into my clothes.
Sorochi. Where did you go? What happened to you? I beg kiss you.
Mama, na that man now, that man. Oh.
Which man?
Yeah.
No, I'm supposed to come. Nobody will come now.
Sorochi, must you play with everything? Huh? Your mother have been worried sick, looking for you everywhere. Huh? Ichibwe, do you want to kill my sister for me?
I demand. Why would I want to kill my own mother? Uncle Linus, go! Go!
What's again?
They go outside, don't come back. And I don't save. Now,
hey! Onye meme fa.
Okay.
Onye meme fa. Sorochi. Sorochi.
Okay.
Is well.
Look on.
Mama, how you go put this kind of thing for food? You come this thing. I don't tell you they suck the snake come out for inside. Go they put the iron back. What if I can't do quack for my teeth? I know say this thing they come on my teeth.
Hey, feel like they made. You will not stay in the house and cook. Your mother will cook you.
Just
you keep complaining.
One, see ya.
Suck
Hey.
it now. It's meant to be sucked.
Oh.
Suck it. No, Mama Buluga, when I will not die because of you, Sorochi.
Just go do for me.
No, please, I'm going. Oh. Hey.
Number, don't go. Follow my mama up and down. Because you know your sister. Drop less man. Come, but you know some mom. No more again for this one. Hi. God. My mama stingy. Huh?
Sayan got missing from the hospital. I think we need to call the police.
First of all, I don't think we need to call the police. I think we need to take you to a psychiatric home. Or maybe a place where your anger can be controlled, because the way you act most times, in terms of not knowing how to control your anger, is getting out of hand. In fact, it has gone out of hand.
I just told you that our daughter is missing. And this is all you have to say? No. Don't worry. I'll go out there and I will find her. And I will take her far away from this house and from your life.
That's the only thing you know how to do. You have no compassion.
Baby.
Don't you dare touch me.
But I was
As if
worried
you
about...
care.
Yes, of course. Wait. You mean you were the one that took her away from the hospital? And I almost died of heart attack.
Do you know you're mad?
Mad? You will see the real madness if this repeats itself again. I will take her far away from this house and from your life. So you could go be with that thing you called a woman.
You know what you don't know is that I'm beginning to get tired of your madness. And very soon, you will see the stuff I'm made of.
I think it's these people that is forcing this young girl on him. Yes. Just because I've not been able to conceive a male child for him.
But I cannot see any girl around your husband. The only thing I see is good fortune from unexpected place.
No. But I'm talking about the woman my husband brought home.
What's her name?
My daughter calls her Sorochi.
Sorochi. write her name on a piece of paper and place it here. What do you want from her?
I want her dead. I don't want to see her in my house again.
Why do you want her dead?
I don't want a second wife for my husband.
This young girl you are talking about are sent to your husband by his chief. I am told by the Spirit that you should buy her gifts if you must tap from her blessings. The only thing I see around this girl is good luck, connection, favor. And if you must tap from that, she must be around you.
Papa, are you sure we're talking about the same person? Are you sure of what you're saying?
Spirit does not lie.
We need to talk.
We need to talk about what? Look, I'm not in the mood to exchange any words with you. I just lost a very big business contract. And this is not the right time for this. I want to be left alone. Please.
I'm not here for that either. I need a maid. And I want Soluchi to come live with us.
You want Sorochi to come live with us? What are you up to?
What am I up to? Nothing. Look, I just want a peaceful and less stressful home for us, okay?
You just want a less stressful home for us. And the only person that can bring the peace that you seek for is Sorochi. The same Sorochi that you condemn. The same Sorochi that you don't like. All of a sudden you want her to come live here with us and become a maid. What is really going on? Like, what's your plans?
Nothing, and I'm serious.
So why? Why do you want Sorochi to come here all of a sudden?
Your daughter. She is obsessed with her. I mean, she can't go a day without mentioning her name. Anything to make my daughter happy, I will do that. I mean, she is my priority.
Interesting. Well, you can go ahead and do anything you want to do, but where I'm going to fall out with you is if you get me involved in anything, don't come to me to report anything to me, because I'll not take it lightly with you.
Don't worry. I will handle that. So, where can I find her?
I don't know her house, but I know the last time I dropped her around St. Monica's Catholic Church. There's a junction around there, so. And I think she's popular around that neighborhood, so if you go there, ask of her. I learned also that her father was a known palm oil or palm wine tapper around there. So if you get there and ask of Sorochi and her father, you should be able to, you know, get to see who knows her or her house.
St. Monica's.
Yeah, St. Monica's Junction or the Catholic Church.
Palm wine tapper. Okay, I got it. I'll go bring it.
I don't find my destiny helper. This one na my destiny helper. For right a lie, I go nowhere again. Cause I have come to stay with my destiny helper. I don't find my destiny helper. This one na my destiny helper. For right a lie, I go nowhere again. Cause I have come to stay with my destiny helper. It don't day when I dey suffer. It don't day when I dey pray. For God to send my destiny helper. It don't day when I dey.
Yeah, this boy. Go collect my bag for inside this motor. Fast, carry on. The boy go bring her and the work where they prepare for.
This one na my destiny.
Hey! You know, hey, how you doing now? Hey. Hey,
Are you happy now?
Yes.
The thing be say I don't know where I stand. Me and my mama will never conclusion on what we do. I don't understand her. I don't know what your mama they do. We never talk what I come here can't do.
I told you that I need a house help.
You see why it's not good to help poor people? You dey see why it's not good to help people wey no get level? I don't like this kind of thing, no. Your mama come my village lie say I go do maid for here. Now I don't call you say I go do. I say, hey, go bring my bag. I don't go. Bring my bag.
Sorochi is the same thing.
How it be the same thing? Maid and house help na the same thing. See your mama, your mama want lecture me we go lecture am. Madam, now we dey this business, now we dey local ground, now we dey under, now we notice. Housemaid and maid no be the same thing.
Zion, please, can you tell her that it's the same thing? Tell her.
Mrs. Sorochi, maid and house help, they are both the same thing.
Come here. You say, I say you get sense. You know to get sense. How you to say maid and house help na the same thing? Shut up. No be the same thing. Just keep quiet. No be the same thing. I tell you the same thing. No be the same thing. What would you say? Leave that way they talk. In short, if you not be made what they do, I bet I don't go.
It's fine. You want to be the maid of this house, right? Fine. You can be the maid. Yes, be the maid.
Both of them, you can even be all of them.
Yes, be the maid, please. You can be the maid of the house.
I know they be the maid again. I don't change my mind. Now house help I want to. Now house help I want to.
You want to be the house help, right? Fine. You can actually be the boat.
Both of them, anyone.
Yes, be the boat.
I don't want to be both. I know the day here at the same time. Now one place I go there. Now house help I want to.
Yes, house help. And please,
you said you know the mouth in the moment. Please, I'm picking to the moment. Please, please don't be.
Sorochi, are you done making the food I asked you to do?
Madam, I don't tell you before now. I don't call you a condo maid. I call you for soft life.
Will you shut up there? What kind of stupid reply is that? What do you mean you came here for soft life? Go and get me something to eat. Get us something to eat now.
Okay? Nothing there for you to eat. Yeah, I beg. No shout for me. I soft life I call you a condo. Soft and not the medicine.
Wait. What nonsense are you talking about? There's no food for me.
Okay? I only make food the way go reach me alone. You understand?
That's not one. Calm down. Mom will make for you food.
This is crazy.
Hey, go back to milk because I don't give you what you're back down. I won't.
They say you make for me food now.
Big plantain this one.
Just make for me. Just make anything we're going to eat. Just make anything for us to eat.
As person, this one is spicy chicken. Will love it.
I will love it.
Okay? And I'm going to bless. If you give me small money, I'm back.
So what going on?
So. My sorrow.
Hey.
My sorrow.
No.
No, sorrow one. Sorrow to my baby.
You should come out now.
So.
What?
So, it's not your calm down. Not the shouting anyhow. So.
No, I saw the look for you.
No, normally if I call her, she dey hear me. She dey feel me. So. My sorrow, So. Relax.
Hey. Wale. So. Don't trouble.
Travel go we have. Where does she know? So does not know anywhere now.
So no dey here. She don't know this compound.
So. Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nnebiagodio, come. Please. What of So?
She don't travel now.
So travel yesterday.
She follow somebody travel to the city.
How? Where?
Hey! Oh man, I told you. City. So is
Nnebia. She went where? It's not possible.
Okay.
My Soso cannot go anywhere. She travel go where?
Hey, oh, it don't happen. I told you. I told you, okay.
So?
You told the say she don't.
So?
Hey, you can see.
So.
Travel go where?
Where does she know? See, anywhere Soso like she should. I will find her. I will bring her back.
Ezoku. Hey, you don't have to, don't be.
So?
Hey! Okoro, is this the place?
Yeah, this looks like
Maya.
I heard this is it.
Eh?
He said it. He talk and say they write something for the house. Say the house big.
Could this house big?
I big oh.
Go work kwaka. No, now.
See, if I dey fear this house, oh. If I carry my baby like this now, I'm going straight to Baba.
Eh?
Yes, now I'm going straight to Baba. See this house. I dey fear who dey inside this house. So Baba go do the thing. This love, make the love dey us well.
Happens you go knock, no time.
This house.
Eh?
The dog fit dey this house.
Dog. Okay, cushy again now.
Yeah. Who is there?
Na me, Okoro.
Yes.
Who are you looking for?
The Oga, the owner of the house. Now we can see.
Now we can see.
Oga is not around. He traveled out.
Ezoku. What's going on? I thought they gave you this address.
Yes, now. I don't feel mistaken. None of the house be this now.
You sure? What's everything they talk now?
No, you dey joke. Go inside, check. Tell and say Okoro, come.
I say my Oga travel out, Oga. You know they hear me. He didn't travel out.
Wait, Okoro, I won't understand. Who gave you this address? Eh?
It's John, no.
John?
Our John now. You know, say John a driver now. John know many places. He tell me for sure, say, if I come, I go see the house. See, they write something. Gate, black, big house. I don't think mistaken.
No verse, make I.
Young man, you guys have a stay. You're welcome. Leave this place.
Wait. See,
I say leave this place.
No, now the house be this now. See now.
Nobody should come and lock the door again.
Go. This is not funny now. This one is too much. What is this now? You know, if you dey show of the address, you carry pencil. See the way from that place they come. Eh? I beg you, do something.
No, don't you give me this. You know now, he na.
You know wetin?
He's a driver now. He dey know places.
Come. I dey hear noise. Wetin dey happen for outside?
I beg, leave that madman wey dey outside. Him with him friend come, they say they look for Oga. I feel like say Oga don travel. I beg, forget them. You get any food wey dey for us?
I see they cook. Go call the people. They look for Oga.
Say they look for Oga. I tell us Oga don travel. Oga no dey around.
You tell us Oga don travel, no dey around. Wo? Oga, go carry them come. And maybe the new Oga, go carry them come. Go carry the person come, make and see the person wey dey find Oga.
I beg, make just dey put the food that they come. My belle don dey tell me.
Let's go come first. Now cool you.
See.
So.
Now you ain't keep for outside.
Na me oh.
Now you.
He keep me outside though.
Now you keep for outside.
You just
He keep me under sun.
He Chris. Come here. Chris. Come here. So this one no get respect. You know get respect. And my boyfriend, you go the beat my boyfriend.
I don't do keep him.
You know keep him.
You know since why I come.
Eh?
You don't tell me outside.
Tell him true.
You don't
I
tell me
don't
that.
do keep him outside.
Shut up your mouth, you dey Chris.
Madam.
They come, madam. It is a madam.
You got
Now one side is
Hey.
Thank you.
What's going on here? Leave laugh. He don't insult my boyfriend. Keep my boyfriend for outside since the poor boy is stranded. The girl outside there in the good mood, I will kill him. For you kill him. Go for you, I say go outside.
Madam.
Your madam say me you come out.
Madam.
No.
Sorochi.
My so.
Sorochi.
So.
Who is this young man and what is he doing here?
And my boyfriend Toby.
What? You brought in a man into my matrimonial home?
No, not be your matrimonial home. Now your marriage home, I bring man come.
Young man, please leave my house.
Young woman, you know they leave. You want me to leave? Or more they go, more two they go.
So what is wrong with you? Young man, I say you should leave.
If you tell
Don't
me
you-
make him leave, now me you dey tell me to leave. So my bet more two they leave. Go leave. Maybe because he just dey here and don't mind they talk to us and they think we go fit.
This young girl you are talking about are sent to your husband by his chief. I am told by the Spirit that you should buy her gifts if you must tap from her blessings. The only thing I see around this girl is good luck, connection, favor. And if you must tap from that, she must be around you.
Papa, are you sure we're talking about the same person? Are you sure of what you're saying?
Spirit does not lie.
I know they fear him. She will say, because if my uncle dey around now, I for don't come. You sure man go bring my bag? Come, follow me, man, go bring my bag. Madam, excuse. Follow me.
Sorochi,
How many bags?
hold on.
Wait. Come. Madam, talk a bit, don't dey stammer. Tell me what you want, tell me. You don't get anything. More they go.
He can actually stay.
Come from your mind, I mean, you just dey talk anyhow.
Yeah, he can stay.
God save you. I bet now come and go sit down. Madam, may come from your mind, though. I know
Bring my bag.
Oga, sit down, no fear. May you come just to the apple. You
My
know,
so-so.
you know they hungry.
I'm always hungry now, so.
You don't hungry?
Yeah, where?
Madam, go cook for him. See they hungry.
What?
What do you mean what? Are you in short mode? Sit down.
Wait, there's bread and Fanta in the fridge. You can actually eat that.
Madam, a full grown man like this. Now full man, no, not be that your half painter. Madam, not be your half painter of your husband. Now full grown man, and be this. Give her food man chop. Now tell her what you want chop. Make she go make her.
I want chop plenty thing, but make I manage jollof rice, I forget that, and chicken with fried plantain. I go manage.
No
Wait.
problem.
You want me to prepare all this?
Madam, with chicken, and no give her any other chicken, no chicken lap too. Now you go give her. If you don't want to make her a short, more they go.
Fine.
Now quick go and bring out cold drink. You know what? More go inside room, go rest. My AC for my room, they chill.
Your AC the work.
They chill.
You want to do what?
Bedroom now, madam. What is the worry? I beg, come on. She say, who is the? I beg, mother, your attitude problem. This everybody be like you and your husband. You want to get attitude problem? Just tire for person.
What have I gotten myself into? How do I prepare rice now? How do I do that? When was the last time I prepared food? How do I even explain that I'm serving a stranger in my house? Not just that, my husband's food for that matter. This is not right. It's not like I have any option.
Welcome, sir.
Who's that man?
He says he's looking for Sorochi. But then I say he should wait outside.
Sorochi?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Welcome, sir.
No, chop, yeah.
So.
Chop, you need them.
So.
Enjoy, yeah.
You enjoy for this family.
No,
This
enjoy,
house
my
now.
brother. You need them.
Chop life.
Chop.
Tag.
They
What is
decided
happening
to-
here? Huh? Who is
Go,
this?
go greet her. Go hug your husband. You know, tell your husband welcome. That's not they behave for this house.
Who is? Young man, who are you?
Oga, you know no table manners again. Person they eat, you dey ask some question. Now my boyfriend, I know here when they call her baby. For me to sit down with man before, you know say na my man.
Your boyfriend.
I not reach to get boyfriend. But that man I go greeting herself now. This thing when they do, you dey surprised. This thing all this living in bondage when they do for this house. When I carry this in a fake marriage, come up for my phone.
Hold on,
If
hold
not
on,
feel hug
hold
yourself.
on. Shut up there.
Okay, sir.
Young man, I asked the question. Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
Okay, you want me to choke now? Me be mouthpiece, and I dey tell you my boyfriend they chop food, table manners.
And your boyfriend cannot greet your boss?
No,
your
no, say no
so-called
greet.
boyfriend?
Oga, make you forget yourself. Hunger day.
If you chop that chicken, if you chop, look, listen to me. You know, I see you're rude, right? I just observed something that you're rude, and I have better ways of treating rude people like you. Before the count of one, one, just carry yourself.
You don't count the one. Chop. I'm saying the beauty.
Get out of my house. Just leave my house. Just kindly
Oga,
leave
leave
my
am make him
house.
chop. Now me cook the food. Make him chop. Your wife there, no complain.
I said kindly leave my house now.
Chop.
Okay, let him just relax.
Now you come. God bless you.
Let him relax,
God
okay?
bless you. God
Just
bless
relax.
you.
Hmm?
Feel
All right.
at home now. Nothing they happen.
Feel at home.
Come, God bless you. Sir.
All right, bless you too.
God bless you. Now eat, I beg.
Also.
Don't you behave.
You sabi cook here.
Don't be say they sabi cook. Now me cook am.
It's sweet.
Uh-huh.
It is.
I only say the difference. We say ingredients. They this house. Now they eat. They eat.
No, come. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Food.
Jesus, this one are real Odogun Pempe.
Come.
I know say this man get.
Shut up there. Shut up there. Don't talk rubbish. You see this thing that happened today? You see this thing that happened today? Let it happen next time. You see this thing that happened? Let it repeat itself. Then you will know me too well.
God, I know you. I just surprised. Say you get liver to hold go as you smoke.
Stop there. Come on, shut up there. Shut up there, don't talk while I'm talking. Are you mad? Think it's only you that is mad. I'm a retired madman if you don't know.
Not true. Not true. I just defined that now, God.
We just decided to just drop the lie because there's no gain in it. You just started your dustbin attitude. You think I come to my house to do that rubbish?
They talk and say, madam, a madman who marry a fair talker. I'm sorry, sir.
Very stupid girl. You had the mind to bring a man into my house. I'm talking to him, no greeting, no welcome, no good afternoon, sir. Is he mad? Can he build this kind of house in the next 50 years? Please give me food to eat, please. Now I'm hungry.
No verse. And the food your wife give my boyfriend.
This food is last. This is the last food. This is the last food that I ate.
Yeah, shoot her.
Let me kill him. Somebody will die.
Your husband, now where they press me, he touched my breast. If they tell me, say, I cool down when your husband touch my breast, I go swear for breast knowledge. If I no swear for breast assault, no say my name no be Sorochi.
Hey! Jesus. Hey! Hey!
Hey, Okoro! Okoro! Okoro, my... Okoro! What John man? Hi. Okoro, you will die. You are wicked. Okoro, you are wicked.
You're right. I'm wicked.
Hey!
I'm wicked, though.
Okoro, you the wicked.
Hey!
You didn't even tell me to run at all. Eh? I just saw you make psham. The next thing, what's this? Usochegas. What was that now? What happened?
Today, I almost died because of a woman. This is how you'd have heard Okoro is gone.
That's ROAP now.
Gone!
You should be gone. What are you doing here?
Hey!
Eh? Look at you. What game is in?
My brother.
Eh? What happened?
I was this close to death. I said, see me, see death. Yes. This man brought out a gun. This man almost shot me. Hey!
Gone. And we are still here, gone. Do you know if he's close? You're talking about gone. Eh?
Hi.
Hi, Okoro. But the thing is, I'm confused. That's not chicken. Now, what's the meaning of this?
I cannot lose both ways.
Eh?
See, I'm mourning.
That is why you are stupid. Eh? Why didn't you stay back to know the kind of gun it was? Yes! Kimamo AK-47. And Bob, what is that? AK-12, AK-222. Kimamo said the particular one before he said me. Eh? So you know the particular one.
My guy, whether AK-19, AK anything, bullet when they kill, they know the right name for the bullet. Nobody tells you that this bullet will kill you. Every bullet kills. And I'm not ready to... Hey! To cram it all. With the way I saw things inside there.
Yes.
That man wants to make my son wants to make my son his second wife.
His second
wife.
You are not serious. Wait, second wife.
Hey!
This is serious.
Okoro,
you have a point. You have a point, dear. Because if he's not planning to make her his second wife, he wouldn't have tried to shoot you. You forget. Hey, see the calculation. This is what's in.
Hey!
Hey!
So, man, huh?
I
know what to do. Relax. I know what to do.
So what do you want to do?
I know exactly what to do. I am going to show them that I, Okoro, is a traditionalist.
You see?
Traditionalist. And my nobody knows that my great-great-great-grandfather was an apprentice to a strong native doctor. Omororo. He learned it well.
Okoro, native doctor, you're great. Not as not chicken now. Listen, I don't understand now. What's the meaning of this? Stop eating the chicken now. Okay, it's okay, fine. But there's something I want you to understand. I know you'll be taking enough inside that place. Eh? Just spare me with this one. You go to me this one.
My brother,
eh?
This is the only thing I achieved from that house. This was a fried chicken, no? Chicken sweet.
Okoro, wait, let me. Don't even try it. Okoro, please don't try it. I know if I had enough there now, Amamole, they would have served you with even 5 of them, sir.
Even 5 of them, but I was about to be shot. See me, see gone. See me, see there.
Listen, Okoro, I will not follow you around this far and come to this place. Or when he get him, you will not give me the chicken.
It's not the one that told you to.
Okoro, no, it's not going to happen. One, Okoro, you check it out. It's small. I can't roll like this.
There is something I want to tell you.
Okay.
I don't want Soluchi to leave this house.
Can't you be telling me that now? Soluchi is leaving this house. That's fine now.
I know, but I want you to do everything in your power to make sure she stays.
Do what's in my power. She's leaving this house, and that's fine now. What are you saying?
But you can actually convince her not to go.
Convince who not to go?
How are you, my baby?
How are you?
Good afternoon.
All was good.
School was fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, school was fine.
It was okay, right?
Yes. Mommy, Daddy, guess what?
What?
Do you believe in good luck?
Luck?
Yeah, good luck. Good luck, of course.
Auntie Sorochi is very special.
So what's special? Tell me something I don't know. Where's that coming from?
She was like, when I was going to write my exam today in school, she told me that I was going to pass. She said it in miracle. She was like, I'm going to pass. I thought she was joking. And I passed the exam. I had the best score in my class. Me that's not even good in mathematics. I had the best score in maths in my class today. Even the maths teacher summoned me to the staff room.
So you mean she spoke your exam sources into existence?
Yes, exactly my point. She's good luck.
You see? You see why I said you should do everything in your power to make sure she stays. So, tell your daddy, she has to stay.
Yes.
Go upstairs and freshen up. What's yes? Do you know what I'm discussing with your mother? Go and change your screen. Give me water when you're coming back.
So, what are you going to do?
I'll think about it.
At least you're going to think about it.
My guy, I met a very, very strong man today.
Isoko.
He gave me this. I should put this in her food or drink. Now once she takes it, my so-so becomes mine and mine alone.
Look at Maya. Are you serious?
I'm telling you. The way you're looking at this thing,
No, the way I'm looking at it, I just want to be sure. Are you sure the thing is going to, it's going to go? Eh?
That question, I'm even asking myself that question. Let me just try it on Chiamaka, your girlfriend.
What's the meaning of that? Or the give and take?
No, calm down.
Stop it now. That is my only yori. I don't joke with her. Nobody should go there.
Oh, you see what happened for Chiamaka? I will not put plenty, I'll just put...
Not even the cap. The cap will not enter. I don't want it to enter. Leave Chiamaka alone. Go for your so-so. What's the meaning of that? Are you serious?
I can't wait to try this on my so-so. No, so-so becomes mine and mine alone. Any man that looks at so-so, thunder.
Kakum.
Hey, Allah. Madness. Even you.
No, I don't as how? I don't get. Okoro, wait, it's becoming somehow. Which one is even me? Your own so-so.
You are disturbing me. Allow me to think of how to use this thing, please. You are making noise in my ear.
Is that so?
My so-so. I feel like my so-so is in my pockets now.
No, so-so is in you.
Sorochi na star girl, everybody want them. Sorochi na good luck charm, everybody want them. They won't keep Sorochi for their selfish desire. Everybody upon say she gets so for head, but they no care. Everybody want them. Sorochi they bring good luck. Everybody if you play with them, your blessing will be water.
Hey, madam. Madam. Madam, now this your wig you still carry come out. Well done, ma.
Why were you walking in the middle of the road like that?
Anything happen to middle of the road, motor no dey come and now they waka.
I thought I gave you money for taxi. Why are you walking?
Madam, the matter long. I make financial mistake.
How do you mean?
I use the money where you give me to buy Zobo. You know, say me and Zobo, I don't know how they swear for me. Anything cold or Zobo, they like and well.
Okay. It's your choice. You can actually check.
Madam, milk don't finish. Oh.
And why did you put it in the list?
I forget.
Call my husband and tell him that there is no milk in the house.
Madam, no verse. I beg. This ice cream wears the ring. I don't know that if you give me like 2,000, man, take buy.
sell your clothes, use it and buy it.
So good is it one night. See, madam, see
ice cream.
But who can beat the
ice cream?
Madam now?
Ice cream.
Sorochi na star girl.
Everybody
want that. Sorochi na good luck jam. Everybody want that. They won't keep Sorochi for their selfish desire. Everybody upon say she gets so for it, but they no care. Everybody want that. Sorochi they bring good luck. Everybody want that.
Oga. Oga, welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
Oga, where your phone? Where you keep your phone?
Which one is where I keep my... What business do you have with my phone?
Answer me first, where your phone, Oga?
My phone is charging. What's...
Oga, ask me where you dey charge. Now, something they make me vex. Oga,
what business do you have with my phone? You just came in and you're asking on my phone.
Oga, carry your phone.
Which one is hold on? What are you doing with my phone? Go and plug it.
Oga, pick am.
Hello?
Hello, Oga. Madam say make I tell you say milk don finish. Make you give me money, make I go buy milk.
Come, are you mad? No, is your brain functional? Eh? Is there a pendulum? Is there anything dangling on your brain? Is it that you cannot tell me that you want to... Your auntie said, must you call me on the phone?
Why they call you since you no fit pick your call? No be woman be they call you.
You asking me why?
Anything they matter, you pick my call, tell me say, hey, see, okay, what be that? You know they pick my call.
Wait, are you questioning me or what?
I know.
Are you out of...
Okay, I better leave
Get
that
out of
thing.
here.
I better leave that way they talk.
Hello?
No fear, bro. All these big men, I saw that they get attitude problem.
Hello? Who's this? Yes, you're speaking to me. It's a lie. Is that a joke? Of course. I'll be there on Monday, my brother. I'll be there on Monday. There is no reason for me to miss it in this life. I'll be there on Monday. First thing on Monday, 8 o'clock, I'm there. Jesus Christ. Okay, sure. Let me see. I'm saving it. Hello?
Auntie, guess what?
Jesus Christ.
That is how I thought I was going to write that.
Mathematics.
I passed.
You passed?
Yes, she passed. Yeah.
And I'm going for cowbell mathematics competition.
This girl don't go international.
I told you that she's a good luck charm.
Don't they press my neck. I know, sir.
Wait. I want to ask you something. Did you tell anyone about the job I'm seeking for? Did you pray or did you?
No, I don't tell anyone. I pray I do. I thank God. I say anybody they wish my guy evil, make ground open. Swallow. Let me tell God. Because now who they pay my salary now?
You know what? I think the prayer actually worked.
Mm-hmm.
Look, there's this contract I've been seeking for God knows when. I've been going for that. They refuse to give me the contract because those people are indigenous, because I'm not from their tribe. My dear, they just called me now that I have the job. I should come to their office first thing tomorrow morning. Can you imagine? Isn't that a miracle?
Now God, they run and maybe ma. Appa.
I did.
Oh, God.
What's this?
No, if they happy, how should they celebrate? Now slap.
Slap.
Yeah.
Pass to the next.
Oh, God, congratulations.
Daddy, congratulations.
What is it now? What's going on?
Now, one language of happiness. What's with
I've heard the congrats. Must you slap me? Let's be guided now.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Get out of here. Come on.
Now, the way we will take the happy.
Yes.
Are you pull normal?
Now, the way we go. Okay, now, so tell them we happy for you. Now, so they explain what's our number. Okay, now, the way we take the happy. If they're happy, Now, I saw the be. They use listen. You know, say I don't do. If you slap me, I slap her. Now, so I will slap the next person. Yes. So I go slap. No, the next person.
In fact,
Let me, yeah, they go. My kitchen, and they go. My kitchen, and they enter. I'm not sure this. I'm the best. Come now. Here we go. Come back. Your party is for myself too.
even if it's a good love child, must you be mad? Must you be mad? Nah, this man, is this hair? That is the perfect quantity. Ah, my so-so. So my heart. So my one and only. After you take this, you have no other option but to love me just the way I love you. You love me like I am the only man on earth. My so. Baba. Should I put all? Did Baba say I should put all, or I should just put small? No. So I need plenty love from you, I beg. Plenty. I am putting everything. Hi. So. Ibrugon Kem. My so. My love. At this point, you belong to me. You drink this, you become mine and mine alone. I love you. Just love me back. Yeah? My one and only so-so. My love. My baby. Baby?
See, if not to come convince me, make I follow you come up for this house. I no go try am. They don't increase my salary 2 times. So I know they come up for here. If now what you want me I do, I know go come out too.
They don't increase your salary. We don't have with that now. Anyway, I'm not here to take you away. I bring you gift. Better thing where I know say you like.
Which gift? What is that?
Sweet palm wine. Specially made for you. Fresh.
So now palm wine, I be the gift.
My love, this is your thing.
Give me. Thank you. I don't hear they go.
Take them today, oh. Make it for no sour.
They go, I don't hear you. Thank you. They go now.
You don't go blow me kiss.
I don't get time for all those rubbish. She be a fresh palm wine. She be a fresh one.
Small now, just.
They go. They go now. She be a fresh palm wine.
Nah, yeah, you dey ask question. I know as you dey like them now.
Ma bring cup. Ma bring cup. Ma take over body. Hey.
Solo. Solo, my love. Let me see now. After this now, you come back to me now. How can you not come back to me? Your love. I have done everything for you. I live for you. And you want to, by the time you're done with this my palm wine, I will have you all for myself. All for my merriment. So do you know I love you? What can I do in this life without you? I'm waiting for you. Come and meet me. Hello, Uncle? Uncle? Can't go, man. We're okay, we are fine. We bless God. Everything is working. I saw the palm wine you sent. So it's just like that I need palm wine now. Yeah, you're still doing this thing. When you buy? You didn't bring any palm wine? Like, you didn't bring any palm wine. What about palm wine in water, Almato? Oh. I was thinking you're the one, though. Okay, Chai. Man, it's about you, okay?
Hey! Hey!
Okay.
Gang, daga. You like him, Abi? Hey, I thought I can say you like him.
Oh, who brought the palm wine?
A person bringer.
Oh, okay, the palm wine is from you.
Uh-huh.
I was even calling my uncle, thinking that he's the one that brought it.
You know they get yourself. You just can't talk with that one.
No, because palm wine.
How you say your uncle bring palm wine for you and he no call you for phone, or you no call and say he bring palm wine? You just carry palm wine and drink. Now me bring her. A person bring her for me.
Wow.
Yeah, Baba talk am now. Yes. No. I'll be like, will you marry me? I love you. Who am I? My love. Solochi, marry me. Straight now. Even Baba said, yes now, he said it. Once she takes it, we can even get married tomorrow. Because she will be madly in love with me. I'm already in love with her. Who am I? Hi, Solochi. But wait, oh. Did I follow the instruction Baba told me?
Take this. When you get home, take the substances inside, put it in her drink or food. Make sure she eats it. When she eats it, she will be the one to beg you to marry her.
Like, once she eats it, she will kneel down and beg me to marry her, like, instantly.
Yes.
What else are you not talking? My so.
But there is something you must do.
What is it? Anything for my so-so, I will do it.
Any food or drink you put in this substance,
okay,
make sure you eat or drink from it.
Baba, is that all? So if I do that, my so-so will be mine.
It will enable both of you to be in same frequency.
Oh, frequency, I like that frequency. But, Baba, can I eat it even before giving her? No, my so-so. Baba, thank you. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Let me not delay. Sharp. Let me go and do it. Baba, thank you. Thank you. Hey! I did not do the most important thing, no. Hey! I did not implement. Hey! Your comes JB Con. Hey! Solo, my love. What will I do now? Will I? No. Hey!
Oga, why you dey stand like ambulance? You do okay?
Your eyes, they're sparkling so hot. How did I see this? Why didn't I see?
Hey! Oga, I better stop that nonsense. If not, please stop on. Give me palm wine, I'm drinking. Small palm wine where you don't drink, don't carry you. Give me now. You worry this one.
Oh no, I can't keep calm.
Ah, this palm wine too sweet. Palm wine sweet.
It's just like you.
Okay, wetin dey worry you because of small palm wine wey you carry now. You just drink small palm wine, now you don dey carry you.
I know, nothing is carrying me. It's just your beauty. I cannot.
Oh, okay. What do you mean of all this rubbish now? What did happen?
Like I've been asking myself, why did I see all this beauty all along in this house? Why am I just seeing it now? The more you try to stop me, the more I will devour you.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Hey.
Look at your face.
You know they touch me again. You can go touch my mumu button. Stop now.
Tell me where the mumu button is. Tell me where the mumu button is. Tell me where the mumu button is.
Touch my mumu button now. I got touch your own. I got touch your own.
Hello, bro, what's up? A wedding planner? What do you need a wedding planner for? I don't understand. What's going on? You have a surprise for me? What's going on? What's the matter? Hello? Hello, Douglas? What's going on? Are you sure he's the one with the phone? Let me call him. Not connecting. What's the problem? Wedding planner.
Sorochi na star girl, everybody want them. Sorochi na good luck charm, everybody want them. They won't keep Sorochi for their selfish desire. Everybody upon say she gets so close for head, but they no care. Everybody want them. Sorochi they bring good luck. Everybody if you there with them, your blessing go be water. Yeah, everybody. Even said the girl and they mess up about no wahala. Everybody they greet die for the matter. They want to Sarah. Everybody want them. One that shall never cease you. My eyes don't see my ear. Have a single time move for selfish desire.
I got you.
Well, how far?
Good afternoon, sir.
Where's your boat?
In the inside, they get ready.
What is it getting ready for? What's happening? What did happen for you?
Call and confirm first. Me know if they invite you. I don't want to lose my job.
Invite me.
Call. Enjoyment today.
Upon say she gets so close for head, but they no care. Everybody want change. So that they bring good luck. Everybody, if you there with them, your blessing go be water. Yeah, everybody. Even said the girl and they mess up about no wahala. Everybody, they greet die for the matter. They want to Sarah. Everybody want them. One that shall never cease you. My eyes don't see my ear. Have a single time move for selfish desire. Wahala deo. So good is it one night. See madam, see house.
What is keeping them? Please go and tell them to start coming.
Sorochi na star girl, everybody want them. Sorochi na good luck charm, everybody want them. They won't keep Sorochi for their selfish desire. Everybody upon say she gets so close for head, but they no care. Everybody want change. Sorochi they bring good luck. Everybody if you there with them, your blessing go be water. Yeah, everybody even said the girl and they mess up about.
They are ready. They are coming.
That's good. That's good. That's good, eh?
Everybody want them.
Okay, you're invited, sir.
Oh, but what's wrong with you? Huh? Invited for what?
Permission to come inside. Okay, see my tell you. Then they inside for Puba.
Your God, they propose.
Now there enjoyment there. Enjoyment food there. Anything where you want, Oga. No problem, you do.
I don't find my destiny helper. This one na my destiny helper. I go nowhere again. Cause I have come to stay with my destiny helper. I don't find my destiny helper. This one na my destiny helper. I go nowhere again. Cause I have come to stay with my destiny helper. It don't day when I suffer.
Good afternoon, madam. No, madam. But she's preparing something very big and adventure. Very big, oh, madam.
Something bigger.
Yes, oh, madam.
Let me go eat at the restaurant because I'm very hungry. I'm coming back.
No problem. Madam, buy take away from you. I'm going to enjoy waiting no good today.
More dance, Pastor.
Which kind of dance? You see any music here? We don't get no time for that one now. Make we join the knot.
Wait till me no time. Time day. Now your wedding. Person will get wedding say you want dance. They say no time for that. Maybe I make you dance now.
Let's follow due process.
Which due process?
I don't start with dance.
We don't have time.
Time day for your wedding, you know dance.
No,
this person wedding. Say
let
make
us
you know
tie
dance.
the knot first.
Let
Let us tie the knot.
You get screwdriver. If you get to tie him now, everybody going.
Where is your ring?
Oh, ring.
Let me join you together.
Now wait till you go talk since now. See the ring for you.
Alright. Well.
We dey plant corn.
Their wedding now. Today is his wedding day.
What are you doing?
You know the sister wetin dey happen. Say what are you doing? Eh? What am I doing?
What are you asking?
I dey plant yam.
Why are you getting married to?
Oga, you blind? No be human being you see like this.
I don't know.
With your Pinocchio nose.
Come.
Abeg, get out of here.
I will not let
Mama,
this
who want to
happen.
tell you?
Wait first. Wait. My wife make her follow am.
No follow. Come on from here.
No
Oga,
follow.
Hallelujah!
Well, shut up there. Douglas, can't you see you're under a spell? What's wrong with you? Douglas.
No, don't provoke me. Don't provoke me.
I will not allow this to happen.
You don't provoke me. They
What's
see
wrong with
what.
you now?
Can you come abroad?
Sorry.
I am not.
I won't follow this angle. Give am blow.
Can you see now?
I don't understand what you are doing. Douglas, what's wrong with you?
Give me your hand.
What is spoiling the day?
Which hand did you put am?
Anyone where you
Put it there. Put it right there.
Oga, nobody
Leave
ask
am
you.
when you
You
reach
said
your
you are
turn. Put am anywhere.
You have the right finger for it.
No, put am for here. No, put am for here.
No, put for this one. You say no, that's what they talk. What is going on here?
They are getting married. Can't you see that?
Will you be my wedded wife? I see that they talk before you put up.
You never part of this. I was trying to stop him. He even punched me on my face.
Concern you.
They have the
Anywhere we
right
like,
finger
I'll
for
put
it.
am.
Please calm down so you get this straight. I'm very sure she used juju on him.
Join us.
Frank, get out. Douglas. So Douglas, you cannot see your wife. You cannot recognize your wife. Can you imagine?
Hey! What's going on?
Douglas, you see your wife.
What's gonna happen?
Okay. I don't faint too.
Put her inside water.
What do you want to do? Want to push her into the... What kind of man is this? Is she dead? Hey! She will not die. She will not die. No, don't call any doctor. Don't call any doctor. She will not die. I'm here. Rise in Jesus' name.
God. I've lost everything.
my efforts. Fight. Baba, you know, do me well. Who am I? Where will I go from here? I am lost. Huh? Okoro, is this you? What have I done to myself? I've lost everything. Everything. Hi. So my life take finish with this. So.
Why are you crying?
It's your dad.
What happened to my dad?
Nothing. Baby, you have to go and stay with your Auntie Rose, okay?
I should go stay with Auntie Rose. How can I stay with her when I don't even know what is happening? Are you sure everything is okay with my dad?
Your dad is fine. We just had an argument on the phone and he locked the house and traveled to Abuja. Don't worry, let's go, okay?
Mommy, how did Dad do that? Why did he do that?
Let's go to your auntie's house, okay?
What about Auntie Suruchi?
She left. She went to go stay with her mom. Let's go. Our things are in the trunk, okay? Let's go. Come, let's go. Let's go. My husband is living with a village girl. And she is using charm on him.
What if she's lucky? Yes.
Lucky.
A good woman is lucky to have a good man. When another woman treats him bad. The other time, I heard you lock him outside his own house.
Because he brought in the same girl into the house.
Was it the first time you locked him outside his own house? You have pushed him to the point he no longer cares. The lady he questioned is a lucky woman because Douglas is a good man.
She will be luckier when she finds herself in the morgue.
Sis, don't take this too far. You are pushing it to the wrong way.
Okoro, why? How could you? Eh? How could you make such mistake? What happened? What really happened there? Eh? What did happen there?
My friend, I fainted. Woke up. Fainted again. Woke up again. Fainted the last time. And regained consciousness. Yet, my Soso didn't even look at my face.
If it's you, would you look at your face? You go look your face if not you. That kind of situation, nobody they look person face again. Everybody they blow at this point. Everybody's now pew pew. Is again. Eh? My brother, calm down. I understand you. How one name is this really what you passed through in that house? Eh? Fainting. You faint, you wake up. You faint, you wake up. Hi! Was the fainting words you got by you listen? Eh? Ukuru. Another thing is very simple. Eh? Have you seen the native doctor? The one I gave you the love potion, the love charm.
I went to see Baba straight from there.
Hey, now you are talking. So, what did he say?
My brother.
Should be a solution.
I went to see Baba. And Baba looked into my eyes.
Uzbo?
And told me he had no solution for me. That I should wait until it expires.
Until it expires? Ha! Okoro, no more. It don't be for you. Ah! Until when? Okoro? Hi!
My brother, one thing is for sure.
Hey!
I don't know and I don't care how long it's going to take. But I am going to go to that house every day from Monday to Sunday.
Okay.
Until my Soso regains back her senses. Until my Soso comes back to me.
Oh.
I cannot stand a life without Soso.
Yes. Oh, what name? Hi.
Okoro, now you fuck up.
No fuck up. No fuck up. I keep telling you, no fuck up. Okoro, you are still there. Don't check inside you. You understand that you no fuck up.
I am not there.
Eh?
I am not there.
So what is it?
Don't tell me that I'm still there. I am finished.
What happened there?
At this point, I am. My Soso was even calling this man her mumu button. See, I never knew for once that my precious Soso has a mumu button.
Hey!
Ha! This man attack Soso! Otagia.
Mumu button.
Ha!
Hey! This is unbelievable. Are you okay? The mumu button. It's not Agoya. Eh? When they manage the process of it, eh? I'm not Tarayagogo. Yeah, so Imaro. I'm not Tipa like Okorea Gogo. Yeah, Ojo eh? This leg. This way. Me put like this. Ole on yourself. We don't cook me. Ole we lay see. Oh, this is it. We'll soon do it. We're totally up. We're Piara go. Just when they say, hey, my mumu, it's not mumu body. My mumu body. What was it, Okoro? Hey! Okoro, the term is really working. My mumu body. My mumu, oh, we're not Pia. Who knows about it? Is so.
happening here? Eh?
I'm this a thief. I want punch her.
Which one be you chain? You be dog?
You get luck say. You get luck say. Now you. I bet I don't like this kind of thing. How you come to
Make we go inside room, go do our honeymoon. You like that here carry chain like say in a Rottweiler you dey.
Which kind of nonsense talk be that one? Which one be honeymoon? I bet I can't follow me like that more sleep. Nothing past that one.
Nothing past waiting.
One no do open. I beg no try.
Let's go.
No, they do that kind of thing. Leave here. Yeah, no be here. Now no go area. No they hear word. They tell you say yeah, now no go area. And they talk. I bet I can't follow me like that more sleep. Nothing past that one.
Nothing past waiting. Come on, where the key of this?
Come on for here now. Come on for here. Which kind
what
of?
What they do? Which one be this?
Come on for here. Which kind of harassment be this one? How you gonna harass me for
your
them?
husband they harass you.
Oga, see make I tell you you touch here and leave here for me. Now so it be you. Now make I just tire me. Now make I tire. See this padlock. No, you are not the commoter.
Touch here, leave here for me. Your husband. So how we go carry make babies?
That one concern you. I will do the first.
Na madness be this one. Where that key or say something more?
Aradite.
Huh?
Aradite.
Aradite.
See, I know it's not good to betray a friend, but I must do this to save your marriage.
What are you talking about?
My friend, Okoro, used a love charm on Soroji, and your husband mistakenly took it with her. Yes.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
If I'm sure of what I'm saying. Of course I'm not stupid. I know what I'm saying. Yes. I know Okoro and Soroji very well. Listen. Your husband and Soroji don't even know what they are doing. Yes! They don't know what they are doing at all.
Do you know this man, or do you know where I can find him? Maybe he will have the antidote.
Hi. Okay, fine, yes. You don't need to worry, okay? I know where I can take you to.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's a relief. So, get
yes.
into the car, let's go.
Of course. You need to save your marriage, honestly. Who has done enough?
Only when he's dead that the order can be free. No. Remove your thought from there. He is innocent. Her blood will hurt you.
Is there nothing that can be done? I want my husband back.
Every problem have a solution. Depending on how deep your hands can go into your pockets. Since money is not the problem, then you don't have a problem. I will give you 7 eggs. When you get home, use the 7 eggs, round their heads anti-clockwise. After that, smash the eggs on the ground. Once that is done, it is over.
Thank you, wise one.
Thank you. Thank you.
Who is there? Welcome. Ma.
Where's my husband?
He's inside.
And Sorochi.
She's inside too.
You go back, you don't tell me I to say, I got bread, you're hungry. Yeah.
Oh, God.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm fine. Has it been long? I slept?
No. Don't worry about that, okay? Let me get you something to eat.
Oh. I really want to eat.
Hey, Jesus. God. I talk her. As I pour this my juice inside, I just say, Oh!
Sochi,
What did
did
you
you, did you touch the eggs I left here?
The egg where they?
Yes, did you remove them?
Why they talk small? See am. Chop, Esther. You like her?
Wait. You ate them!
I don't eat them. As I see the egg, I pick am. They enter frying pan, from frying pan, inside bread. Then we turn to inside in the I don't touch them. Very nice. You understand?
Sochi, you mean you ate the eggs I left here?
I don't ate it. And the egg that ate me. You understand? Why they pay you? I don't beg you now. Eat, join me chop, Abi.
How will you do that? You don't know how she done this girl. You don't know what she
Why you slap me? What I do you when you just slap me? My mama batting. My mama batting. Some person want kill me. You like wetin dey worry you? Everything dey alright for your head.
If you like shout, if you like scream, if you like yell, it's not gonna happen. I've locked everywhere.
Jesus. Now what? Madam, wetin make you stand to kiss your face like shit? What's here? Is everything alright with you, madam? Madam, why you squeeze face like that? What's here? Don't touch me. Madam, na cry you dey cry. Tell me wetin happen now. You no matter if you help you. Wetin happen?
So your plan is to come into this house, charm my husband, and take him away from me. Abi?
God forbid. And I'll open your mouth, throw it and pam! Come out that thing for your mouth. Which kind of talk come with that one? Which time say I call you Oga? Now I make call snatch from you, God forbid. I know they snatch short men from people. Oga wey short, come yellow, come get black baby. They no be like speck. I beg you, no talk that if you reach for Fide, I know they do that kind of thing. No accuse me of any Fide. I beg, make I go to my mama house.
Go where? Come back here. Go where? You're not going anywhere. Yes. You're going to pay for everything you have cost me. I'm done with you. You see, this is your attitude. This is your silly, stupid, villain attitude. We'll leave you and go outside. Will you go under? Go outside. You see, outside the pavement. Just Kneel down there. Raise your hands.
Like this.
Yes.
That's how they worship God.
Yes. Go.
We give
Yes.
you all the glory. We give you honor.
Leave that alone! What's wrong with this girl? What kind of man?
We give you all the glory. Mother, open the door. As I raise my hand, I know if you drop on. We give you all the glory. No verse. My slippers are one correct. We give you honor. Honor. We give you all the glory. We give you honor. The glory, Father. The glory, Son. The glory, Son. The glory, Holy Ghost.
Mommy, I've been calling your line, but you've not been picking.
My phone's on silent.
Why is Auntie Sorichi outside, kneeling down?
She's on punishment. She did something bad, something terrible. So she has to pay for it.
Mommy, but that's not fair. Under the sun, she's kneeling out.
Come on, shut up! How dare you talk to me like that? Or you go upstairs. Go upstairs! Come back here! Come back here! Can you imagine?
Go inside. Don't worry, I'll go fish Esther. Go. I'll fish Esther. Now, son, you no go keep person. Go, you make me black. Yeah. Now, ordinary son, you no go fit keep person. Go inside. Now, you're black, you go make me black.
You okay?
What is it?
Auntie Sorichi is still kneeling outside.
Kneeling outside. Why?
She stole from me.
She stole from you. What did she steal from you?
She stole my money.
Mom, but that was not what you told me. You told me that she was trying to snatch your...
Shut up! Go upstairs.
Mom, please, can you let me talk?
Mind the way you talk to your mom.
Dad, Mom brought her into this house because they see I told her that she's a lucky charm. And I've never seen anyone complaining about missing something in this house. So why is Mom just treating her like a slave?
Lucky charm. What's she talking about?
You go upstairs. Go upstairs!
So why are you treating her as
not
a slave?
Okay, madam. There is a big problem.
What happened?
Want to just jam her. Sorichi na.
Jesus!
Lift him up. Knock her for ground.
Jesus! My Sorichi!
Yes, madam. I go lie for you.
This is all your fault. You were taking pills to remove the child in your stomach. You don't want to get pregnant for that again. This is your fault. You accuse her of snatching your husband away from you, mommy. This is all your fault. Yes. I overheard her talking to Auntie Rose on the phone, telling her all this. This is your fault, mommy. This is your fault.
So this is it. Really? So you never wanted a child? Huh? So this is who you are? You've been deceiving me all this while. You never wanted a child? How could you?
Please don't be dramatic. I mean, I don't want to get pregnant. I don't want to lose my shape. Is it a bad thing? Is it a crime?
Goodness gracious. Your shape. Oh my God, you're causing my life. You never wanted your shape to go bad. Why did you tell me? Why did you tell me? You brought darkness into this house and you look at me and tell me. God.
Darkness?
So this is what you've been doing?
Darkness? You are your own darkness. Don't you ever call me that again.
Trying to push me, I swear to God. You're pushing me too far. I swear to God, you're pushing me too far. You're
Don't you ever try that again. Try it, or you will see thunder.
I'll see what? Say that thing again. Say that thing again.
You sent her away? You are that wicked woman, sent her away!
Watch the way you talk, Zion. It's for our own good.
You killed her! You sent her away because she was poor!
Zion, calm down.
I hate this! I hate this!
Come back here. Come back here. Come. Love, please don't do this to me. Please. Don't do this to me, please. Doctor! Doctor! Get out of my house now. Look, I don't want to hear nothing.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, okay? I'm sorry. You can't throw me out of your house.
You think I'm playing with you? I just messaged it, please. If they come here, they will not take it lightly with you, I promise. Just leave, now.
You will regret this. You will regret every single act. I'm sure you will come back begging.
Boss, there's a problem, sir.
What?
The Ladders Bank people, they came to the company, they're looking for you. They say our company loan is overdue and they have repossessed the properties.
What?
I should have done this a long time ago. Rubbish.
Go and check if she has left the gate.
Okay, sir.
Good afternoon. Mama, it's indeed very painful for what happened. It's something that indeed we cannot question God. She was full of life. She wasn't supposed to die. We are here to say sorry. It's with heavy hearts that we're here to commiserate with you. Please just take heart and be strong. Okay? Yes, we heard what happened.
She's not dead.
Huh?
She's alive.
Sorochi is alive.
Yes. Sorochi is alive.
Alive?
Yes.
Mama? Mama?
So you're alive?
What be this? Mama. Mama, what be this? You come meet me, got the happy say, Auntie Soroshi.
You can't remember her?
No.
Zion.
But you remember this man?
Mama. No be this man will make that give me the puff one of my eye. Mama, no be. Well, let her go your house, go find a locate, I can't stay house. Everything on the apple. My helper! My destiny helper! Hey, okay!
It's good to see you.
Now you're picking me this now, Zion. Zion is a crazy. You don't feel, remember me. You don't know our greeting again. What you gonna make you? He said, don't they talk of your case? I'm going to join you now. Come here. What is the apple? I don't know it's the apple. Come. Not like this. How you doing now?
I miss you.
My mama has her rheumatic.
Is she okay?
She's fine. She knows the to give person food for this house by connection. If you cook meat, no the dancer. My mama wicked. No, don't worry. No, I got leave her.
That's how
that's how we say the greet. Nothing concern. So now you be my papa compound.
Are you sure she's
all this fine work? My mama
I miss you.
I mean, if you see this side, we get sherry. We got, you know it will be bad.
Hey, see banana there.
No, don't be banana.
No, don't worry.
That one.
This one, uncle. What is that
But is
one?
everybody here?
That one now. No.
We are all fine. Just like I told you. She needs that green salt. I would rather green salt. She might not be normal. Sometimes she's normal. Sometimes she's abnormal.
But does she get her
I
grades?
see.
No.
She bites on.
No.
Okay, so I'll help. What does it take? We take her to the hospital or?
Yes. I don't mind if you have just the surgery. We need the surgery. That's it. Thank you very much.
No, that one not beside though. That one not Finger Eve. That is the name of the leaf. Finger Eve. My mama dey use her cook food.
No, Oga, she's fine.
So now leave your papa. Your papa they get application. Yes, let us stay there.
Okay, so
no go there. They go like this. So they go like this. They go back. As they go back. As they go back, they go back.
Stand up from here.
No, motor. It's a jam motor.
Go inside and bring your bags. Eh? Go and help her with her bags. Look.
My bag.
Yeah.
I want follow na go do maid again. I want go do maid.
It's not me. Just go get your bag. Okay? We're going to buy something.
Okay, I want go buy something. Come on, go.
Don't worry. Like I said, I'll take care of her. Even if it determines flying her abroad, I will do it for her to get sane again.
Hey!
Okay? No. Mama, stop.
God bless you. God bless you.
Yes, you too.
God bless you. Hey! So Marita will be well again. Hey! Hey!
I don't find my destiny helper. This one not my destiny helper. I go nowhere again. Cause I have come to stay with my destiny helper. I don't find my destiny helper. This one not my destiny helper. I go nowhere again. Cause I have come to stay with my destiny helper. It don't day when I dey suffer. It don't day when I dey pray for God to send my destiny helper. It don't day when I dey wait to meet my God to send